Hi there, today we're talking about the Nextbook Next 2 e-reader. Now this is an interesting product. It's a multimedia e-reader. It's kind of a cross between an e-reader and a tablet. How is it like a tablet? Well, it runs Android, it's got a color display, it's got Wi-Fi. How is it an e-reader? Well, it's quite affordable, and it definitely has a penchant for reading books. It's got page forward and page back numbers. It works with an online bookstore from Borders called Borders eBookstore. It's got all the features that you'd expect to see in an e-reader, as well as some of those that you'd expect to see in a tablet. Now, let's take a look at this Nextbook Next 2. It is a 7-inch display that's actually 800 lines of resolution by 480. Now, this thing will do music, books, pictures, video, but it's definitely designed, I think, mostly for books, especially when you turn it on. The first thing you're going to see is all your books down here at the bottom. It comes with 25 free books, and no slouching. This is really good stuff. Let me read you a few. The Study in Scarlet, A Tale of Two Cities, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Dracula, a lot of really good stuff. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Not only are you going to get awesome internet and books, but you're going to become a smarter individual by reading these excellent choices here. Now let's talk a little bit about what you get besides the actual ebook reader. Let's talk a little bit about what's inside. Now it's got 2 gigabytes of online storage, so it's actually flash-based memory, so it will not die when the power dies or whatever. It has a 10-hour battery, so that means you can read a ton of books on here, you can surf a lot of web on Wi-Fi, you can look at a lot of pictures, you can also play a lot of music. I'll give you a quick tour. I'm going to take it out of this little leather portfolio that it comes with to show you all the little ports that it has. Now, the first thing I'll point you in the direction of is just to show you the 2 buttons up close that I mentioned earlier. You have 2 buttons on each side for flipping between your pages. Now, all the ports on this thing are on the bottom. Now, there's only a few, but we'll start over here. You have a power button. You have a mini USB 2.0, not to be confused with the micro. You have the output for your headphones, an SD card reader for additional memory or to look at photos, and then your DC power right there. So that's basically it. It's a very simple device. It's very affordable. It's got a great display that looks really good, color screen, and again, it's blurring the line between an ebook reader and a tablet. It's Android based, very affordable, and it's a sleek little design. It comes with a very nice little portfolio that's actually seems like real leather, so very nice. It's the Nextbook Next 2. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Nextbook Next 2 7-inch Android tablet, type in N56-0002 into any major search engine.